When your heating and air conditioning system is in need of repair, you may find yourself in a tough situation. Do you fix it or replace it? If you fix your current system, it will cost less up front, but may cost you more in repairs and maintenance, in energy spending, in comfort and reliability. What if you could eliminate all the upfront costs and get a brand new, energy-saving heating and air conditioning system? Through the HERO program, there are no credit score requirements to qualify, and interest is tax deductible. So you can get a new, high-quality heating and air conditioning system with nothing out of pocket and lower your energy bills. Here's how it works. Local governments really want to cut energy use. They created HERO to improve homes throughout the community, while helping homeowners reduce their energy bills. Because HERO is paid along with your property taxes, when tax season rolls around, you can write off the interest as a tax deduction. The more deductions you have, the less you pay in taxes. And if you sell your home, in most cases, the remaining balance can be transferred to the buyers. It's kind of like the house is taking out the financing, because whoever owns the home is responsible for making the payments. HERO doesn't care about your credit score. It's easy to qualify, simple to apply, and approvals are instant. So now, with nothing out of pocket, you can lower energy bills and enjoy total comfort in your home. Have your contractor find out if you qualify for HERO today.